Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to YT Court. It's a brand new channel, and tonight we are going to do about a 15-minute discussion on what this channel is all about. And I want to welcome the General on the Wall. Welcome.
Good evening. How are you tonight?
Good, man. And let's tell the viewers and the listeners what this channel is all about, man. We'll go through it a little bit by bit, and we'll see how it goes from there, man.
All right. You want to start it off?
Yeah. Basically, what this channel is all about, if any YouTuber in YouTube land had a beef with another YouTuber, you can bring your case to YT Court. The email is in the description box. So if you have a case with evidence, with real evidence and facts, please send your case to ytcourt@gmail.com and we will look at it. Now, I will say this. Not one person is in charge of this channel. There are multiple people that are in charge overlooking this channel. So what happens then when you get your case sent to us? Well, we look at it. We will invite you and the other YouTuber to come on YT Court to come in a debate. There will be a moderator. It could be any one of us. There will be a moderator to overlook at it. Then there will be multiple moderators in the chat room. Now, how's this going to work? Each person will be giving a time limit to present their case. Once that time limit is up, the other person can present their case or their argument. Once that round is over, there will be a rebuttal round where people can question on another time limit so more things can start rolling on. This is going
right. So basically, what it is you'll have a set time limit to state your case. The other person will be able to state their case. Then there will be a question round so that you can form questions to the other person to see if they can rebut them, and then after all the evidence has been brought forth and the whole case has been gone through, so there'll be a set time limit, just like a debate, that you can discuss all of this, and the chat room will be the deciding factor on whether it's believable or unbelievable on each side.
Right. So this is going to be organized more in the court of as a debate, but more importantly, there will be the amendments be used in this. So you have the First Amendment, freedom of speech, right? If you want to use the Fifth Amendment on certain things, you can do so also. But you have to be able to answer some of the questions that is presented in the rebuttal section, right? Another thing, if the other person does not want to participate in the debate, they will be given what we call an adjournment, which will be maybe a day or two, maybe a week. If that person still does not show up to the case, then they are found guilty of being what they've been accused of. The chat room will be the jury of peers. Now, we are going to strict this. Any trolls, any people bashing in the chat room will be instantly removed and blocked from this channel. Right? Yes, you can come in, everyone is welcome, but if you are doing the wrong thing and we see it, the moderator will block you and you will not be coming back in this chat room again. Also, the jury panel will be selected by the moderator of the chat room to see whether the case presented is found guilty or not guilty, whether it's true or untrue. That's where we're going with this. So, once again,
it's a jury. Yeah, it's a jury of your peers. So you bring your evidence, the other side brings their evidence, and of course you want to include the YouTuber that you're having a problem with, so that we can contact them and invite them onto the show, and then you can dispute it all out in a nice unbiased environment, and in a formal manner. So
right.
it's not you making a video and them making a video about you. It's literally, you have your say, they have their say, you have your question time, and they can answer or not answer, and you can do the same. So it's very formal. It is much like a debate. In fact, that's basically what it is, but it's more consuming than I guess. And
more importantly, we are not picking on a specific people or a group of people. Any YouTuber in YouTube land that has a dispute with another YouTuber, we'd like that case to be sent to us. It can be anyone, any place in the world, anyone.
Any YouTuber.
Yep. This is not directed at a specific group of people. I want to direct that message strongly. If you think that we're only going to be pulling out cases of a specific group, you're wrong. This is an open invitation to any YouTuber out there that has a dispute with another YouTuber. Bring your case forward. The email is in the description box.
There will be rules, and we'll outline the rules at the beginning of each case so that everyone understands what they are and are not allowed to do.
We'll go through the rules. Just go through some of the rules, Damien. Just go through some of the rules. Just give them.
Basically, it's just give the person their time. Let them talk. Don't interrupt. And they will do the same for you, because that's how this works. And instead of, like I said, instead of you saying this and you saying this, you get to speak your mind, and then the chat gets to decide who's right and who's wrong based on the evidence that you show to whether this person is right or wrong. Or is someone slandering you? Bring that forward. Show it to us. Show it to the rest of YouTube land, and they can do the same. And if it's slanderous, then you're in the wrong. It's just all that there is to it. If you have no proof, then there's no proof. But if you have proof, then that'll be weighed out. And basically, that's what it amounts to. It's a debate, and it doesn't even have to be something of that nature. And when you send in your email, I would recommend maybe outlining the kind of beef that you're having or the dispute that you're having, and maybe you can settle it here.
Right. So basically, there will be a number of moderators in the chat room, and I'm going to be working that out as we go along. Not one person will be in control of this channel, right? It won't just be me. It won't just be Damien. There'll be a group of people that will be in control. Now, whoever the moderator is in the debate, it could be Damien, it could be myself, it could be another person. Each time there will be a different moderator in the debates session.
You want to do that now? Make me a mod in there.
Yeah, I'm trying to do that right now. Yeah, I've just got some things to do here. Just keep talking, Damien. Talk away.
Oh, okay, hold on. Anyway, yeah, we've thought this over quite a while now and decided that this might be a good way to settle disputes. So we welcome anyone who's having a dispute with another YouTuber to bring that forward and invite them to come on here and settle it once and for all. That way you don't have to keep making these dumb videos back and forth and you said this and you said that. Okay, come face to face and speak like people to one another and settle it.
Right.
That way it can be settled.
Yeah, that's a private message I sent to you, Damien. I need you to respond that if you can do that.
Where in our chat? Okay, gotcha.
But yeah, like I said, this is going to be.
Oh, see the click. See the dots.
Yeah.
See just click on my picture in the chat, in the YouTube chat.
I have.
And then it should give you the. Hold on.
No, your comment's coming up on the screen.
Yeah, I know. Hold on.
Anyway. No.
Nope, I'm not on YouTube. I'm not yet. No,
we'll work it out.
In the actual YouTube chat room.
Yeah, well, I'll go there now. Just hold on.
But anyway, this is a.
Yeah, you there? Much. Are you there, Damien? Well, it looks like he went out. Here he is. There you go. There you are, Damien. All right, keep talking.
Anyway, this is a formal way for people to come forward, face their accuser, and get it settled within YouTube. You don't have to go to. I mean, I've heard people say some ridiculous things, and if you have that much of a problem with somebody, come here and discuss it, and let the people in the chat decide.
Yeah. I'm just trying to get back to something, Damien. Just keep talking, man. Just keep talking. You there?
Basically, they're basic outline rules of debates. So you give the person the floor. They have their time to speak. You have your time to speak. You have a rebuttal period. If people in the chat have evidence as to either side, they can put that evidence in the chat or send it to us. and we will bring it up for everybody to hear. Also, if anyone else has points of interest to bring up, people in the chat or either side, they can bring in points of interest and discuss them. After the whole debate is done, we'll give the chat an amount of time to deliberate about what they believe is and isn't, and we will do the same.
Right.
We'll have a period of time where we'll deliberate as to which side we think is in the right or in the wrong.
Right. Well, you are now officially the moderator in the chat room, Damien.
Gotcha.
You're good. There will be multiple moderators throughout the chat room, and you will see that. But I think that's a wrap, Damien. The 16-minute video we're now done.
Right on.
Please, just to recap, if you have got a dispute with another YouTuber, please present that case to the email address that is in the description box, and we'll get back to you. And like I said before, this channel is not run by one person. This is run by multiples of people.
Oh, just another disclaimer. We are not legal representatives. No. We are absolutely doing this for the benefit of you.
Yeah.
To be able to settle your dispute or your problems or whatever it is in an open forum with your peers, with everyone that watches our videos, your videos, their videos, whatever.
Whatever.
But respect will be maintained at all times.
Right.
By all parties.
Well, now the invitation is open to anyone, not just to a specific group of people that may have some facilitation with myself and Damien and a few other people. We don't want just you to do this. We want all of YouTube land to do it. So, invitation is there. Join us, send it to email, and welcome to YT Court. Catch you guys later, and enjoy the ride as much as we going to love doing this. Thanks, Damien.
Thank you, Jamie.